Sorry.
Sit back on there, maybe.
Sure.
Get a good view.
Boys, get at it.
Ronan is insane.
Yeah.
It was so cool last time.
Oh, is that your hat?
Huh?
Is that your hat?
No.
It was cool last time because I was in the pitch and never saw it up close. He actually takes it nice.
Yeah. Well, where's the nearest shop?
If you head straight down that, go right down there. That's the first layer.
Yeah.
Alright, where's my phone? Anyone got a spare cup? I think I do at the bottom of my bag. Sorry, that.
Guess what I do have? The gross things, disgusting things, yucky things.
Bowler's name!
Radek. Oh, Mike.
Mike, okay. Did they say happen or something?
Radek.
Radek.
That's Radek.
Eddie, you gonna get? Yeah, it is Eddie.
Yeah, I'm just cooling off. I'm on.
Up like that, next to him there. Everyone's obviously behind him. Goes round like this, cautions straight across like that. Yeah.
Hand-eye coordination. All that tennis stuff.
He loves throwing and catching. I think that might be his favourite thing.
Love it, yeah. I mean, that's a weird keep it.
Yeah.
Kind of what you need to do. Yep. This is like, this is what I feel like around the world. It's a competition like this, honestly.
Village cricket.
Yeah, absolutely. What else? What else is it?
Village cricket. It is so good. Went in sound.
Well, yeah, sometimes it's like, So what's the question? Oh, Paris.
Oh, wicket.
That double down there, yeah. W in there. How good is that? How good is that?
just went through pad, yeah. Went right through.
Oh dear, Jimmy.
I said to Sween, just put your bat next to your pad and you'll be fine. Never mind. Yeah, I mean, either way.
Bowler's name! Murray. Thank you!
Come on, Sweeney!
Jimmy, I don't know if that came off your bat, that ball I gave it to you.
It did, definitely did.
No way.
Yeah.
Sick.
Yeah, it's free entry, so it's like,
No way.
I'm just line up. So, no, but...
Oh my god, you go early. Get in. The girls, last time I saw Gary and Jay,
I think you can do, but I suspect if I start doing that, I'll mess up.
Yeah. I feel like there's a whole routine.
Yeah.
I won't tell it, but they like to be crazy.
Yeah.
Like, you're not allowed to take photos.
When are you coming in, man?
Fuck those.
And it was just people like naked. Like fully naked.
Feel like I've done my bit.
Yeah. Ask them about it.
Oh, yeah.
So if they,
You've done well. You will bat though.
I saw them, like,
Are we more of a batting side than a bowling side?
Oh, they are. Well, neither really. What you're seeing is a trademark CHUMPSHIRE.
Oh, really?
Glimpses of brilliance in the field, but somehow slumping to an unchaseable score.
What are they on? About 2-3?
240, yeah.
It's named after the guy.
I think
What
I think about 9 and over does it.
So it made the round. Yeah.
Ooh.
Annoyingly, I think probably everyone my friends with is in the same algorithm.
What number are you in at?
Pardon?
What number are you in at?
Oh, I've been and gone, mate.
Oh, have you?
Yeah, I've been and gone.
yeah.
Yeah, I've been and gone, pal.
Yeah. No one does really.
Normally to buy something.
That's why the heat is so hard. Yeah. We're not
You in next, Goose?
What's that?
You in next, Goose?
Yeah.
Jim, how's your scoring? Huh? How's your scoring? Yeah, I can take over if need be.
Load me up. When Mo asked, once we're done with the tea, if we can put the left legs in the box.
Yeah.
Okay, nice. Yeah.
So good, isn't it?
Yeah. I've had 2 overs now.
What everyone does on the weekend is they always sort of misery, doesn't it? And there's past times of misery.
I think this guy's slightly too good.
On his team?
What?
Which name is team?
This bowler. Slightly low because he got
It's a bit antisocial, really.
It's a little bit, yeah, it's swinging it. Nice swing.
So this is these lads' home track.
Yeah.
Wow, okay.
It was one of the deliveries I put in. It's just turned about 90.
Yeah.
It's just like...
I think it's a bit since the start of the season. The pitch is not looking great, is it?
It's not. It's got some wear in it already. What was the decision, batting and bowling in the same end?
To try and hurry up so we can make the Champions League final.
Time's in that.
I don't know, I've no idea. I think that we'll be cut for time. Time for time.
After the, yeah. You just have to like, if you want a quiet fight, you just have to go like behind the dozen.
Yeah.
If you want to do the dozen, it's such a lads are always immaculate, like pubs are boring. And we live in the middle.
How many in the league? How many in the league?
Yeah.
Mate, you're overestimating everything to do with this, man. There's no league. It's this is all just fun and games. There's a lot of needle though. If you follow it on Instagram, there's a lot of needle.
A lot of what?
Needle. Yeah, needle. Unpleasantness. Friendly unpleasantness. I'm gonna move my legs up.
Yeah, I'm in the danger zone.
Yeah. You see, he bowled me, and he's not bowled a single one on the wicket.
Is it plum? Or did it take a turn?
It's swinging. It's swinging. Left arm. Swinging in. But it was a straight ball essentially. Yes, Wayne!
Oh, he's back ready. A little bit rosy at the moment.
I'm going to give it 5 minutes.
They're quite human, aren't they?
They're literally so human.
Someone told me once he looks like Will Ferrell, but no, I can't look at it.
Oh.
When he looks at you deadpan like that, you're like, you actually look like Will Ferrell.
Yeah. Wow.
How are you feeling, Goose? You feeling alright?
Feeling loose at this.
Yeah.
Yeah, this.
It'll take care of itself now.
Yeah. More worried about fucking up scoring.
Yeah, swing!
Run him up, lads!
There's not been one ball on the wicket. 2 overs.
They are. We're 7 for 1 if you want to do that.
Solid.
After 4 overs. Yeah, just building
That's
something.
off the mark.
Just building something.
Wickets are 7. Just joking around there.
Hey, they all count.
7. Total. Off how many?
Cold water on you. Yeah, he's gonna shake, sorry,
So I can get kind of warmed up on it.
Yeah!
Oh,
Nice!
Oh, runs!
When are you in, Ben?
Hello, strong boy.
It's empty now, that's why.
Oh yeah. Get a deal, so I think. Nice shot, right? three now.
Still top scoring.
You are top scoring.
This year.
What's the thing?
All depends on
Yeah, exactly. If it falls off a cliff, we're like, oh. Steve knows more. Yeah.
Is this your first one? I think that is.
We've only played twice.
Yeah, I think we played twice now. I think I'm this one.
Yeah, you go!
JB gave a quiz.
Yeah, it was Fernhill, that was it, yeah.
Fernhill, yeah.
I played at Paddington,
Yeah, okay, that's one I know.
which was, well, we won't be anyone.
Yeah.
And there was 4 jumps.
Oh god, okay.
Oh, the rest of us were rabbits. It was good. It was good because it was fun.
Yeah.
To be fair, it was a good chase actually.
How many games have we won?
Ever.
I think we've won 4.
Every time we had a good bounce. We had a good bounce to it.
Okay.
When like Farmersburg.
Oh, yeah.
Good run.
The first win was,
That was huge.
we did have
A lot.
4 mower players.
Yeah,
didn't we?
yeah, at least.
So we're like,
Still are we? Highgate Woods. With the little scoring box.
yeah.
Oh,
Shot line! Really nice swing! Surely that's all you've got to play all day.
Babs.
Yeah, playing with 3 slips.
I'll update the scoreboard.
Yeah, it was just great ball.
Alright, good over.
Okay, let's pull that.
Arbitrary goal.
We're on 14.
Oh shit, alright. 1 wicket, 5 overs.
6 overs.
Bit of a slow start.
Yeah, we like it.
Birdie.
Yeah, 2. Because he went that big swing.
That was it, yeah. Oh, did that and stuff?
Yeah.
Alright, fair enough.
Were you watching?
I kind of heard the noise,
You're
but...
watching a different game.
Who's in front?
It's on the, whatever the Instagram is. Who's gone?
Sonny.
Bird's down.
Bird. Is that Bird? Yeah.
That's Bird, yeah.
Oh, Steve. Got on for
Need a big one from you, Skip.
Oh wait, no, I can't go. I'm in sick. Can I go smell it?
There's a quick here, yeah. Luke to come. Luke.
So who's in now?
Did you kick it?
Hang on, who's bowling this?
Got it.
Goose is utterly useless at scoring.
How many to come?
3 to come.
3 to come!
That is a massive. I don't know what he's been watching because he's not been watching this match. The way he's been scoring. Oh, gee. He's not been juicy.
Oh. Shot!
Sure.
Huh? Bowled a straight ball. Bowled the ball on the stumps. I thought I was getting the best bowler. I know. Yeah, so it's Murray again. Sounds right.
Too nervous. Oh, he'll bow with pressure.
He'll bow to pressure, I think.
Shot!
Goosey!
Gooser! I think just these sort of serves was just a load of money.
What club again?
Line up start for PSG. Awesome.
Go!
Want to skin again?
Yeah. Want to come?
One! Yeah! Shot!
Celebrating. Oh, yeah. Six gone or 7.
8 gone.
Alright. Have to speed up a little bit.
Very fun.
Oh yeah?
No wrecks are packed.
Same like the Braddock.
Really?
They played against Braddock before, Steve.
Well played, Michael!
They've also dropped up there.
Why have you done that?
Oh, yeah.
Oh, there you go. Right, mine.
Sweeney gone.
Oh, let's get that.
Sweeney's, get Sweeney's. I think you did a job out there, Mike.
Quite good bowlers, those two.
Yeah, they are.
You know what? They're pretty good.
They're pretty good. They're unpredictable as well.
There she is.
Ben.
Hey, you want anything?
Does anyone sell the first two bottles? Yeah.
What number are you?
5, right? What number are we on, Mike?
Thank you.
What?
What number's next? Is that 5?
6 is in next.
Yeah, I'm in next. Wait, I'm in next.
Great, I'm definitely going to come.
Look at Steve.
No, I'm not.
You are.
No, because he's moved down one to third, didn't he?
Oh, so it's who's 6? Well, I'd pad up if I were you.
Well, look, he's there. So swap out. Oh, no, I'm going
Let's
to
get padded up. Everyone will back. So. Yes, Stevie! Tough out there, Sween.
Stuff like that.
You got Sween, you got some.
Yeah. It was time to start swinging.
You played some shots, man.
Time to start swinging. Play 1 or 2.
Got a nice cut.
Yeah. It looked alright, didn't it? I don't think it was intentional, but it looked alright. I was using the one Steven's got. Do you want to borrow mine?
Yeah, is that right?
Yeah, it's the Yeah, no, it's the other one with cars though. One with the blue handle, yeah. Yeah, it looks like it's been used by someone really good, but I got it second hand. So.
2 to come!
And I can't,
Oh,
Boy.
my
drive with my right hand, even if it's one eye. Yeah, exactly. So my left hand.
Want a beer, Jim?
Mate, I'm not on the boost.
Not today? Oh, not? In general?
Not.
In general.
Oh, I'm on and off.
Okay.
I want to drink a lot at Goose's wedding,
Yeah.
so that means I've got to slow down.
I've drank the past 2 days. It's been a bit intense. As well, just still not good. But
Yeah, man, happy birthday.
not getting hammered, but you know, three pints.
I thought this was
Down.
maybe we can
Every time.
hurry up.
Okay, come on.
What he thinks he's seen there. He thinks there's a ball there. He only gets that well. Yes, Brighton. Oh, wow. So nice. Especially if the weather holds.
Yes, exactly. We'll see. Kind of open, kind of just like here to relax.
So I'm really bang for a while.
It's a long way to come.
Swinging as well, wasn't it? It was on-
So it felt maybe something about the downhill, but it was very swinging to the right all the way.
Do you know this chap's name? The new bowler.
I was trying to do some change.
Yeah, well, unless you want, no, I don't know.
Bowler's name! Bowler's name! Warden. Gordon.
Also, I don't have my ID. Do you think that?
I just really need to
Yeah.
How many? 1 year left.
That can hand said no, not so.
Unless I have my ID.
Then I tried to jam.
Oh, really?
2 points to one.
Yeah.
I feel like a lot of work behind a lot of responsive work. For it to like not get up this morning.
Supposed to be in prison. Before I committed to the game, I'd already arranged
So you get home like so I was like, yeah, have a little gap there, so I'm not missing class, I'm not missing any class.
My best mate from in Charlotte.
Yeah.
That was
It
the
was her
birthday.
birthday before our
Yeah, I
final.
went home for the weekend.
Decided we should all go to Greece for a girls' holiday.
You know, the dad got pizza on the weekend. A bit of that.
Yeah, so in your front yard, yeah. You look sick.
Good sunset vibes. It was really good. And then I don't know who's there now. And then
Living up while I can my last
then
year.
went to dinner in Homerton on Thursday. Some of the best food I've ever had. It's Chunky's, this Irish Indian place.
Maybe?
Yeah, it's sweet. Feeling very lucky that I've got a proper machine for that.
Oh, yeah, good. Hi, lovely doggy.
I'm not sure if I want to come a while. I think at my age, working like 90 hours a week doesn't really fit me. Looks luxurious, doesn't it?
I don't know.
Yeah. This is really good. Yeah. What was my high school next year? Straight out of high school. I haven't really travelled at all.
6,
What were the times I wanted?
10.
I've got.
Three wickets,
like,
yeah, off 10.
I've done 6
Third of
months
the
in
West.
France.
We needed more, we need about 85.
All that work. The lawyers going to be like, I don't want to be a lawyer.
Literally, I know, yeah. If I was doing law arts, honestly, it would have been, yeah.
My friend did that. She was working pharmacology and himself and like an apprentice there and
Stephen's got a meme about it on the CHUMPSHIRE actually. Looking at it this morning. He's like, they spent 2 pounds this weekend.
Shut! Yeah.
Shot, shoot, Steve!
Ah, yes, Stevie!
Oh yeah. But I think it was raining that. Yeah, it looks like it was nice, but
actually you're working like so many hours, like 60 plus hours. It's like, it's just absolutely exhausted.
You don't think that?
I'm like, maybe when I'm 40 and I'm like wanting to lock down and do something, but like
That's the response. It's not the form that's impressive. It's the drop ball.
You were good out there then. You were fiery. You were bullshit.
wow.
I'm a talisman, I'm not a star.
Yeah!
And like, if anything new happens, I'm like,
It's like a jalapeno coleslaw with just tomatoes. It's just like quite a light sandwich.
what is
And
it?
it's like jalapeno coleslaw. Oh, wait on that. So jalapeno coleslaw with just tomatoes.
Sounds banging. Alright, thank you. I'm quite sorry.
Oh, what a shot! Bangers in Manchester, Mancunian.
I live in Manchester, yeah.
Very good. Yeah, I spent most of my life there before. Yeah.
Oh, did you? Whereabouts?
Last place I lived was Levenshulme,
Oh, yeah.
but I was born in Bolton, but with Bradford, not with Bradford, but I studied in Manchester and stayed there afterwards for a few years.
Where did you study in Manchester?
I did geology and geography. Yeah.
When did you graduate? Yeah, yeah.
I graduated, well, I did a 4-year year abroad, but I graduated in 2017.
Okay.
Joined in 2012.
Had a year in math, I think.
Okay, did you do something similar or?
I studied molecular biology.
Okay. No, I do miss it. Well, yeah, where do you live now?
Yeah, we lived in I've tried to move one time.
Busy though.
So busy, but like everything's there.
Yeah.
Like I don't think we ever went further than we never went further than Dulwich. Like there's just everything.
oh yeah.
I used to work, 2 years I worked in Portugal Beer House.
Oh yeah, nice.
No, I don't, if I'm honest. Somebody else go umpire, please.
I'm going to swap out. I'm in next, otherwise I won't.
Yeah, give me a sec.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
Just remember, don't give anything.
Yeah,
Yeah.
Wicket count.
Go for it. I don't know who it was. I think it might be Ronan. No. We live in Didsbury
Yeah,
now.
we need people
So
to
we
help.
moved down out to South Manchester. So nice, yeah.
No red lights, no ball.
We live right in the middle of the Didsbury dozen.
You umpire?
Yeah, he's going square.
Well, pubs that everyone
Oh no,
gets
wait,
dressed
now
up.
I think we might need you at
Really?
one point. Oh no, Luke. Yeah, we're good.
Shortland's so nice.
You are?
I'm fucking heating up out there.
My favourite restaurant in Manchester is in Shortland. Bar San Juan.
Yeah, the one on
Beach Road.
That's such a London road.
Beach Road.
Beach Road is like the London and Manchester.
It is actually. A lot less, there's not really any trains there.
No, it's
You
great.
wouldn't find like a Gale or something.
No, it's primo spot that. Because it's the only place in Manchester as well with the green space, the water park and stuff.
Yeah, Chorlton Water Park.
But
You
you
walk
want
all the way to sail there.
unless you live in Prestwich.
Yeah. I mean, we live next to Fletcher Moss,
Yeah, it's great.
and that's like a big nature reserve in Didsbury.
Good running, lads.
But Fletcher Moss kind of connects with Chorlton Water Park. So
Yeah,
it's
yeah,
not
it's
so
all the
far.
same.
Yeah.
I don't miss it.
I love Manchester, yeah.
Are you from there?
From Poland,
Oh, right.
and then I grew up in Cheshire,
Yeah.
and then moved to Manchester for uni.
Ben,
Oh yeah, what's the name? What we on?
We're on 40.
So how do you play cricket then on the weekend?
Me?
Yeah,
I play
Top
for
11.
I play for the ladies team in Disney.
Oh, so the Mowers are a national institution.
I've got a cap.
I don't understand.
Hold
It's
on
called the
for-
Dulwich Lawnmower.
The little Lawnmower, yeah.
In
No, so I
Oh,
play for the
right.
Disney Women's.
Oh, okay.
And I stepped up for the Mowers when they had
So
it
you're
when
a
they were
proper
playing.
cricket player.
I'm just starting out.
Oh,
But
okay.
yeah, I've played like 4 or 5 games this season
Okay.
with the ladies. Yeah, it's really good. Hey? You love cricket, don't you? We go to
Oh, batted lad.
there's a sports field near us that has like cricket and stuff like Ashford one. And we take all of our gear there and like we'll walk and then he just fetches them back to the
Oh my
bowler,
God,
brings
that's
them back to the
dream.
bowler.
Yeah.
It's like it would be so boring if we had to walk to
Yeah,
get them every
you
time.
You've optimised. I need to
Sick
optimise
move.
more. Yeah.
Honestly, it's so good.
Go on, Goosey!
That
was
gets
like
the play.
a proper shot.
Has it gone? Ready?
Yeah.
The way he's running. That's the kind of run that means that people play.
Alright, that's that joke. Wasn't that? It's worth it. Right, come on these two. £200 chip with one. Shots! That'll do! Getting tired. Cleaning the sun.
We're gonna go after brunch. Let's go to train back or something.
All we need to do is go.
What's happening? Tomorrow? What kind of festival?
Well left. Well left.
Hundred Minds, yeah. It's electric. Yeah, really good. Yeah. Hundred Minds are really good.
Name? Woodhouse. Brooke.
Oh yeah, with a
Woodhouse.
spinner.
Spin it. Oh, nice.
Yeah, he's good. Like it.
Right, let me get that. I don't want to face the spin.
Turn it as well. Not when you lie down.
Funny with that. Well, it do.
We go there quite often for events and stuff. He did it on Halloween and it was a massive club. It was so sick. Yeah. We were like dressed up as pirates. It was really good.
That's sick.
Yeah, it's so good.
What a lot.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Like they host a festival every year.
God, I feel good that that's all done now.
Big festival, like a big festival. Well, our friend knows.
Oh yeah.
So nice. Yeah, so nice, right?
All over the yeah.
Go, Steve! Textbook.
So when we
See you there, mate. See you
there,
there.
we go to Amsterdam, just like every night.
Two of them decent.
Oh, yeah. Shot, Steve! Shot, Goose!
And they, I mean, they, you know, spend time out tomorrow. They take people all the time, like they yeah, it's really great.
Wait.
Like working with and I was like, let's we'll go to your future event.
And like the previous years.
That was actually really good. I did feel bad for them.
I think I'm gonna have a really nice time there.
Who's next? Are you in? You're next. And who's after you?
Joe!
Yeah!
Got the geometry right on there. Right on.
Yeah, I think legally you're not meant to.
Alright, okay, alright.
My mum just wanted
Ben, you go next. Ben is me.
Oh, is it? Oh, shit.
Then you get padded up, man.
Wait, when's Luke going to be? Joe!
my mum lives in a tiny little urban terrace house. Such a big swimming pool. And it looks so big, it's like scalpel.
You got stuff ready? It's that bag there, if you just want to use all that. Giant bag, yeah. Yeah, it's going to be all.
Hold him! Front!
Well left.
I go quite slow. Yeah, I go quite slow.
No way, on a hat trick there.
Oh, it almost happened.
Wow.
But yeah, you can't feel that.
Like, kind of.
It's like teasing you.
Was he going for an Iron Man?
I'm so glad that you didn't realize that it means you've done very well.
What can I do for you, darling? Tommy, come on, over to me.
How many gone?
14!
Oh, well, cool.
Okay, cheers.
You got one more to drink.
Talk me through Ollie's.
Eddie, you go in next. You go in next. Because then I'll definitely get to battle if we don't get out. What? You got any more? You got any more? Right, candidate.
Come on, what?
Back with you, actually. You get a ton.
You're on 161. This is great partnership from them two. Yeah. It's a 36 partnership.
It's the truest classic.
Right, you guys are really
Well, I actually grew up in a very, very different family. That's boring. No, I mean, no, they were actually right.
Oh, yeah.
They're right.
my muscles.
Yeah, you were showing them.
I know.
What?
Before
I know. I'm showing them to you again.
I know. I never realised that. But
It must have been amazing that I gave you the opportunity to show them off because you took out your cycling loads between North and South London. I said your legs must be getting.
I didn't realise that. I do, but I was like, I don't
That's hard.
have muscles. Cycling. And
That was me at the end of every
Like, he's going inside of us.
That's it.
That was
Goose, bit of Beth.
Bit of Beth.
Bit of Beth.
Will they end up on TV?
25.
Who's home it's not? Oh, plays Goose.
It's my helmet.
Oh, is it? Oh, right, fair enough. So, I thought he just put on one of their helmets, so he just got out of it.
So hang on, who's in? Eddie's in now.
Eddie's in now. What's he doing? Saluting? Right, and then Luke's in after me, so one of you might have to go. I'm quite a bit of a obviously, I'm going to stay until the end of the inning.
Bit of Beth. Yeah, it's great, isn't it?
So what's
It's a compliment. It's a compliment when he comes onto ball. So let's tidy this up now.
And then it's never.
So you can spin it.
Yeah.
Draw a line on.
Martin Eddie, well done!
Yeah, leave them Eddie all day. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Eddie, yeah.
So what's the score overall?
He went to primary school, but 17,
I did think.
Yeah, I thought that. How many people have you got
well, Eddie got me involved.
Okay, nice.
I used to see Eddie a bit at uni.
Yeah, yeah. It's a bit of a inbred
That's all you need to know, really, isn't it?
Yes,
Yes,
Eddie!
Go on, lad!
Have it back!
See him off, boy.
It's a wicked maiden hall.
It is a spinner's track.
It's a second wicked maiden hall.
Slow little move. You coming up? Oh, it's two. No, we've got to put the food away. You might get us to the game at this
Good stuff, lads. As it moves.
They must be nice and warm now.
It's just
Hello.
spin the blue.
Started, Eddie.
Yeah. Have you got anyone that can...
I mean, yeah. Are you alright?
No, I try to straighten up and it's just the ones you have coming through the offside, they are moving side so late away.
Oh, right.
They're so perfect.
Oh, let's get some water.
Face that leg back.
There you go. You ain't seen nothing.
It's not a.
Only 200 lads.
Who the fuck is Patcher?
William Patcher.
Really good. Perfect.
The team's out already.
Yeah, kick off at 5.
Oh, it's a 5 kick off?
Yeah.
So we only got 40 minutes.
Oh, mascara, right?
Why is it 5?
Where was it early today?
Won't we need to do that for real life?
Where's it meant to go?
Budapest.
It's not even that far away.
I don't think the Champions League's ever not